जय श्री कृष्ण मित्रों। शाह और चिखलिया परिवार के तमाम सदस्यों का, रिश्तेदारों का, प्यारे दोस्तों का मैं मनीषा तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। संगीत के इस महफिल में छा जाएगा मेहंदी का रंग, क्योंकि आज है मिलन का अवसर। आज एक नया इतिहास रचाएगा राजीव हमारी प्यारी मीनल के संग। और आज संगीत के इस महफिल में हम सब इनकी खुशियों में शामिल होने आए हैं, तो क्यों ना हम अपना प्यार, स्नेह और आशीर्वाद इस हसीन जोड़े पर डालें। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं चाहती हूँ कि तहे दिल से जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम दूल्हे राजा और प्यारी दुल्हन का स्वागत करें, क्योंकि गर्दिश से आए चांद सितारे और यहाँ मौजूद हमारे प्यारे। आओ तैयार हो जाए और मिलकर स्वागत करें शहजादी दुल्हन मीनल और दूल्हे राजा राजीव का। Let us welcome मीनल and राजीव। You know, यहाँ पर जो सेटिंग है वो जरा सी अधूरी सी लग रही है। So I am going to request Meenal's parents to please join us on stage. जोरदार तालियों के साथ। Welcome, very warm welcome to both of you.
I'm very happy. Everybody's made a lot of effort to come here, and my dream has come true. I always wanted Rajiv to get married here. Yeah.
Wow, this is really amazing. I know, and this is like a dreamland, Ambi Valley, and to actually have everyone close to you over here is something special. So, any tips to Rajiv?
Well, Raj, we've lasted for 37 years. So I think the tip is like every do we go, the tip is always say yes. Just never argue. I think this is something you always learn, and I think it'll be a happy life ever after.
It's really exciting. It was something that both Meenal and Rajiv wanted, and especially Jyotiben. And I'm really pleased that all these friends and family turned up to join us in this celebration.
We also heard a story from Rajiv that one papa is very punctual and the other papa is not punctual. So how do you all plan to strike the balance? Because जैसे मैं बता रही थी, शादी सिर्फ दो इंसानों का मिलन नहीं होता। So can I please request Rajiv and Meenal to join me on stage? Taken the advice so seriously from his dad. He's following her all the way up. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, looking gorgeous tonight. Hi, congratulations to you, Rajiv.
No, I'm not nervous at all.
You could see that. You just sound so confident. Okay, your dad just gave you a fantastic tip, and I'm sure you've seen that happen in your family. So how do you think it's going to be from here on? You friends who are actually going to tie the knot. So do you think that equation is really going to change after marriage?
Not really, just literally do whatever she says, and then I can go to football.
I think after about a couple of months, maybe, I knew that he was the one. So yeah, we've been together for a long time now, and it literally is like a dream. I'm really happy.
Whole time, which means that basically easiest work is to you. You always wanted to take a sweet revenge with Rajiv about something that he's done. So this is your chance. Tell Meenal one thing that you think she doesn't know about Rajiv.
He's not available every Saturday between 3 and 5 when the Arsenal game's on.
It's a shopping habit.
Meenal needs to watch America's Next Top Model every Monday without fail, and we'll be over at your house for that.
और इस हसीन जोड़ी को इस वक्त यहाँ पर देखकर इस वक्त बहुत जरूरी है कि हम ये जान लें how well does Hatul brutally honest and tell us whether he's saying the truth or not. Are you ready for this?
Yes, okay.
Okay, so I'm going to request you, Kalpana, to please step forward. And Manish, you're going to face your back to Kalpana, which means you're going to look at these wonderful flowers and just imagine whatever you want to. Don't get too naughty on that. Okay, and the same goes for you. God, you look really beautiful, and congratulations to you. And are you ready for this?
No.
That is exactly what I wanted you to hear from you. So that's great going. We're going to find out how well, at this point in time, what is the color of the nail polish that Sonia is wearing? Dun, dun, dun.
Stab in the dark, it's red.
It's red. It is not red, it's just a French polish. So, beat him!
It probably will be red for the wedding. So.
Now, you are going to get beaten black and blue, so don't look at red. Black and blue is your color tonight. You took a look at her color? No? Don't bother, because that's not the question I'm going to ask you.